Okay, today we are going to show you how to operate the Speedy Cup. The Speedy Cup is just a pressure pot that sits on our reciprocator arm and delivers fluid to our guns. It gives us the ability to do quick color changes and gives us the ability to use minimal amounts of coating in those color changes. Typically a pressure pot is a low pressure system, so usually we are feeding low pressure guns, HVLP guns, with a pressure pot. Very simple to operate. It rides here in this holder that's attached to the reciprocator arm. All right, if we want to remove it, we can just slide it out. Just twist off the top here. You would load your paint into this cup, picked up by this small pickup tube here. Screw the top back on, put it back into the basket. We have a quick connect fluid connection here. Male goes into the female on the cup, air connection connected to the cup. And we would come over here to the top of the machine here where it says cup. We turn the switch horizontally. It gives us air pressure to our pressure pot, to our Speedy Cup. We want to turn the air supply to the Speedy Cup off, turn it down to vertical. The Speedy Cup is perfect for quick color changes or running small batches or only using small amounts of coating. Coatings that are very expensive that you don't want to mix up a large amount of, especially plural component coatings, and you don't want to waste the amount from the guns to a pump. Then you're able to just put that right here on the gun arm, deliver it directly to the guns without wasting a ton of material. Also, if you want to change colors really quickly, 2 disconnect points here, you're able to remove the entire cup, replace it, connect it just as easily, and production is back up and running fairly quickly. Okay. Now we're going to disconnect our fluid, quick disconnect here. We're going to disconnect our air here, then we can remove our cup. Now before we can open up the cup, we'll need to purge the air pressure inside. You open this pressure release valve here, it'll release all of the pressure that's inside the cup, and you'll be able to open the top. Okay, your first step is going to be to turn off your air supply to the Speedy Cup. We're going to go in. There is a pressure release valve on the back of the cup that you could either open up to release the pressure now, or you could wait until after you've removed it from the machine. Okay, then you would adjust your fluid pressure here on the fluid pressure adjustment knob to whatever your desired fluid pressure is. You're going to come up back, you're going to close up your machine, and you're going to start automatic cycle like normal. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact our sales and service department.